What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel, it's Mitchy Boy here, and today I'm going to make a vintage motorcycle sign, a wooden sign. I've got a piece of wood here and a picture that I printed out with an inkjet printer. Did a logo, Harley logo, my last video, so I thought I would try and do an actual image today and see how it goes. And then yeah, I'll probably just cut this wood afterwards and drill some holes in it maybe and hang it up somewhere. Got a bit of space on the walls here in the shed, so might start making heaps of signs and see how it goes. But yeah, I've already kind of explained in the other video how to do it. I mean, it's pretty simple anyway, so but yeah, you just put some PVA glue down and then you kind of rub the paper off the next day. I'll just show you guys again anyway. So you want to cover the part where the image is going to be. Should be enough glue. Okay. Then just screw it out. Not really sure how it works, but the PVA glue makes the image transfer onto the wood. Probably want to make sure. Probably just glue, spread the glue out on onto the image. Might actually be an easier way to do it, but so kind of hard to see. I think that is all good. And then you just want to rub this across nicely, firmly. Right, so I just started washing out this, rubbing off this paper, and thought I'd do a little time lapse, finish it with a little time lapse or something. So yeah, just open the shed door so it's a bit lighter. Okay.